Have you ever dreamed of owning your own home, picturing a cozy sanctuary where you can put down roots and create lasting memories? While the idea of home ownership is undoubtedly alluring, there's a side to it that often goes unnoticed: the hidden costs that can catch even most prepared home buyers off guard. Are you ready to unveil the secrets behind these unexpected expenses? Today, we're going to explore the financial realities that come with owning your piece of the American dream. Home ownership is not just about the mortgage payment and the down payment. It's a world filled with surprises, both delightful and daunting, that can stretch your budget in ways you never imagined. In this video, we'll dive into the 11 hidden costs that often catch new homeowners off guard. From appliance repairs to lawn care and furniture to pest control, we'll uncover the expenses that often fly under the radar until they land squarely on your doorstep. But fear not, for with knowledge comes power, and by the end of this journey, you'll be armed with the insights you need to budget wisely and embrace home ownership with open eyes and a prepared wallet. Appliance repairs, the unexpected guests. The joys of home ownership, where a simple task like doing the dishes or washing clothes can turn into an unexpected financial hurdle. Within the first few months of moving in, appliances like dishwashers and washing machines may demand repairs that could cost anywhere from a couple of hundred to over $1,000. When you're a homeowner, the responsibility of maintaining and repairing appliances falls squarely on your shoulders. No more calling the landlord for a quick fix. It's time to roll up your sleeves or open your wallet and embrace the joys of DIY or professional repairs. Annual HVAC maintenance, keeping cool and cozy. As the seasons change, homeowners are often greeted with the hidden cost of annual HVAC maintenance. For a typical fee ranging from $50 to $100, a skilled technician will inspect, clean, and educate you about your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. While this annual checkup may seem like an unnecessary expense, it's essential to ensure your HVAC system is running efficiently, prolonging its lifespan, and potentially saving you from costly breakdowns or premature replacements. After all, when the weather is extreme, the last thing you want is for your HVAC system to let you down. Home improvement projects, putting your personal touch. One of the greatest joys of homeownership is the ability to transform your living space into a true reflection of your style and personality. But with that freedom comes a price tag, often in the form of home improvement projects like painting, flooring, or renovations. A simple project like painting a few rooms could cost several $100s for supplies and tools if you do it yourself, or upwards of $2,000 if you hire professional painters. Embrace the opportunity to roll up your sleeves and create a space that truly feels like home, but be prepared for the associated costs. Lawn care, taming the green wilderness. The great outdoors. A lush carpet of green that beckons you to bask in its beauty, but also demands your attention and care. In the first year of homeownership, maintaining a well-groomed lawn can easily cost $500 or more, factoring in the cost of equipment like lawnmowers, weed whackers, and various accessories. And let's not forget the countless hours spent meticulously mowing, trimming, and nurturing your little slice of nature. If you're not up for the DIY lawn care challenge, be prepared to budget for professional services, which can easily set you back $200 or more per month. Furniture. Fill in the spaces when transitioning from a smaller living space to a larger home. New homeowners quickly realize that their existing furniture may no longer be sufficient. Suddenly, there's a need for beds, dining room sets, sofas, and other pieces to fill the newly acquired spaces. This necessary furniture upgrade can easily run into the thousands of dollars, even for basic pieces. But this expense is not merely about acquiring material possessions. It's about creating a warm, inviting environment where memories can be made and loved ones can gather in comfort. Pest control, waging war on unwanted guests. While we're on the topic of unwanted guests, let's delve into the realm of pest control. In the first year of home ownership, It's common to spend upwards of $75 and countless hours ensuring your abode remains free from creepy crawlies. From strategically spraying pesticides around the perimeter and entryways to sealing up potential insect entry points, maintaining a pest-free sanctuary is a constant battle. While a DIY approach can save money compared to hiring professional pest control services, which can cost upwards of $300 annually, it's a necessary investment in your peace of mind. Floor coverings. Comfort underfoot. As new homeowners quickly learn, bare floors can be both uninviting and uncomfortable. Thus, many embark on a mission to outfit their new abode with cozy floor coverings, from doormats and kitchen mats to bath mats and area rugs. In total, this endeavor can easily cost $1,000 or more, with the bulk going towards plush area rugs for living rooms, dining rooms, and foyers. But who can put a price on the simple pleasure of sinking your toes into a soft, inviting rug after a long day? Or the satisfaction of stepping out of the shower onto a luxurious bath mat? Sprinkler system winterization, protecting your investment. For those living in regions where winter's icy grip is a reality, the cost of sprinkler system winterization is an unavoidable expense. As temperatures dip below freezing, the potential for underground water pipes to burst becomes a real threat, one that could lead to costly repairs and water damage. Winterizing a sprinkler system typically involves turning off the water supply and using an air compressor to blow out any remaining water from the pipes. While homeowners with the necessary equipment may be able to tackle this task for a minimal cost around $10 for an adapter, those without could be looking at a $50 to $100 bill from a professional service. Landscaping costs. Nurturing nature's beauty. While lawn care is a necessary expense, there's another hidden cost that often goes overlooked: landscaping. From mulching and trimming hedges to pruning trees and shrubs, maintaining the natural beauty surrounding your home requires both time and financial investment. In the first year, homeowners can expect to spend a few $100s on tools like hedge trimmers, pole pruners, loppers, rakes, and of course, bags upon bags of mulch. And while the cost may seem insignificant at first glance, it quickly adds up, especially if you opt to hire professionals to handle the heavy lifting. Utility costs, the inevitable expense. While most home buyers anticipate higher utility bills, the reality often exceeds expectations. In the first year of home ownership, it's not uncommon to spend 2 or 3 times the amount you paid as a renter on electricity, gas, water, and trash collection. Cooling and heating a larger space takes its toll, with electric and gas bills skyrocketing during the sweltering summers and freezing winters. And let's not forget the newfound responsibilities of paying for water and trash collection, expenses that were once conveniently bundled into your rent. As you embark on your home ownership journey, be prepared to adjust your budget accordingly, especially if you're upgrading to a larger living space. Property taxes, the annual surprise. And now, we've arrived at the hidden cost that often catches new homeowners off guard: property taxes. While property taxes are typically rolled into your monthly mortgage payment, what many fail to consider is the potential for these taxes to increase year over year. In many cases, the value of your property will rise over time, resulting in annual hikes to your property tax bill, sometimes to the tune of hundreds of dollars. While these increases may be capped in certain areas, it's a stark reminder that home ownership is a journey filled with ever-changing financial landscapes. As we've explored the 11 hidden costs of home ownership, one thing has become abundantly clear: owning your own home is a journey filled with both delightful surprises and unexpected expenses. From appliance repairs and lawn care to furniture and utility costs, being a homeowner demands a level of financial preparedness that can often be overlooked. But fear not, for with knowledge comes power. By arming yourself with the insights shared in this video, you can budget wisely, anticipate the unexpected, and embrace home ownership with open eyes and a prepared wallet. Remember, home ownership is not just about the mortgage payment and the down payment. It's about being ready to tackle the hidden costs that come with maintaining and nurturing your sanctuary. Embrace the challenges, revel in the joys, and never lose sight of the fact that you're building a legacy, one expense at a time. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into the world of home ownership and personal finance. Together, we can navigate these uncharted waters and turn your dream of home ownership into a reality that's both fulfilling and financially secure.